Whoa there, that sign says toll meter. I've gotta ride this. This line ain't so bad either. And check this out over here. All of my memorabilia from all my adventures, like when I was a daredevil and a fire truck and an aeroplane. When the going gets tough, the tough gets towing. Wee-hoo! Look at this line. I can't wait to get on. Meter's coming on next. Okay, time to go. Let's move on, little tractor. Oh, this is like a baby ride. We're barely spinning here. Oh, wait a minute. Looks like we're picking up a little bit. Whoa! I'm getting a little dizzy. Whoa! Yeehaw! These tractors is making me dizzy. Spinning so much. Alright, good thing the ride's just about over. I need to sit down and take a rest. Tractor crossing, ain't that the truth? And I gotta get me a souvenir picture of me and Tractor. Please click here to see the 2013 Mickey's Halloween Party with your favorite characters and, of course, some fireworks. Thanks for watching and have a great day.